If the hand of the pressure drop gauge points to the red area, the suction filter must be overhauled. This can be carried out while the pump station is running. Stop the pertaining supply pump and switch off the electrical power supply. Close the valve in the suction line and dismount the suction filter cover. The suction filter housing has a built-in cut-off valve which automatically stops the oil flow to the housing during disassembly. Remove the filter insert and fit a new one. Mount the cover. Open the valve in the suction line. Finally, switch on the electrical power supply and set the pump to remote control. Check that there are no leakages. If the pressure drop indicator is red, the pressure filter must be overhauled. This can be carried out while the pump station is running. Turn the handle of the valve so that the oil bypasses the filter. Dismount the filter housing and replace the filter insert with a new one. Mount a new sealing ring on the filter housing and mount the housing. Reset the pressure drop indicator, if this has not already been done automatically, and turn the handle of the valve so that the oil passes through the filter. Check that there are no leakages. Read the oil pressure on the pressure gauge and compare the reading with the value given in the instruction manual. If necessary, adjust the pressure by turning the handle on the side of the hydraulic block. The hydraulic block is fitted with a number of cut-off valves, which allow the pertaining components to be replaced while the pump station is running.